this week we're going to talk about plant byproducts. So, this is the last part of our plant objective. So, we're going to talk about plant byproducts. So, that's what you need to label these notes as. And I will highlight what you need to know. Okay, so 3 types of plant products. We have vegetables, which are any edible part of the plant that isn't a fruit. Okay, so if it's an edible part of the plant but it's not the fruit, then it's called a vegetable. Okay, so fruits are going to be the fruiting body of the plant that is formed from the ovary walls. Okay, so the fruit is going to be the fruiting body of the plant. Okay, so fruiting body. Oh, go back. So then you have grains. So grains is a small hard seed of a food plant, so like wheat, rice, and oats. So this is considered the hard seed of the food. Okay, so it's the hard seed of the food plant. So did you know that dog food, cat food, fish food, livestock food contains grains and vegetable products like corn, wheat, and other plant products like cottonseed and vegetable oil? So this is what cottonseed looks like. Okay, so all of these. Then you have some plants are made are used to make shampoo, fragrances, art supplies, furniture, medicine. Okay, so what do all those products mean? So all of these products are called byproducts. So what is a byproduct? So a byproduct is a secondary product created during the creation of the primary product. So it is a secondary product. Okay, so that means it's not the first product that it will be used from that plant source. Okay, so some examples. Okay, just pick one example and write it down. So using cellulose from plant leaves in the shampoo, removing cotton fiber from the seeds and using the seeds in animal feed. Here are some examples of byproducts. Okay, so corn. So where it can be grown all over the world. Okay, the food products that we get, we eat the kernels of corn for popcorn, tortillas, corn on the cob. The byproducts that we get are ethanol, so gas, corn syrup or cornstarch, and paper or wallpaper. Okay, you're going to use the stalks for paper or wallpaper. So then soybeans, it can be grown. So where can it be grown? Can be grown in most types of soil. Okay, but it's going to thrive in warm, fertile, well-drained sandy loam. So sandy loam just means sandy soil. Okay, so sandy soil is where it grows the best. How? The soybean is a branching plant that can reach more than 6.5 feet in height. So it can get pretty tall. The food products that we get, soy sauce we get from the seed, tofu. Those are kind of the main 2 that you get from soybeans. The byproducts, I bet you didn't know that fire extinguisher fluid, it comes from the seed oil. And then paint. So sugarcane, okay, where is it grown? It's grown in subtropical and tropical areas, so places that it stays hot. How? Sugarcane plant produces a number of stalks that's going to reach to 10 to 20 feet high and bear long sorted leaves. Okay, so they're sword-shaped leaves. The food products we get is the sugar, and it's the juice from the stem. And then you might not know this, but molasses is the byproduct, and molasses is made from sugar. Okay, and then the lemon. Okay, so lemon, where is it grown? It's grown in tropical to subtropical countries, mostly in Italy and California, so we're shipping it. How? The lemon plant forms an evergreen spreading bush or a small tree, 10 to 15 high. Most of the time people prune their lemon trees, but they don't have to prune them. But they can get up to 10 to 20 feet high if they aren't pruned. So what food products do we get? We get lemons. Okay, and then some byproducts that we get is citric acid and then perfume. Okay, so what you're going to do, this is the end of the lecture. So what you're going to do is you are going to take a picture of your notes and upload them to the Canvas page. If you have any questions, send Ms. Wallace an email.